Hello everyone, my name is Cullen Crochet and I am here today to talk about my experience as a field operations intern with Broadmoor this winter. I was assigned to the Windsor Court Hotel renovation project in historic downtown New Orleans. In the short time I was able to spend with Broadmoor, the scope of work I took part in included floor levels 21 and 22, the top two floors of the hotel. The photos displayed here were taken in the mock-up room located on level 3. These were used to further look through the rest of the project to go back on and make sure that everything in the rest of the project looked like these. The Windsor Court Hotel claims to be the most gracious luxury hotel in New Orleans, and I feel these examples shown here, such as the butler pantry and the secretary, exhibit just a portion of the prestige this hotel possesses. As a field operations intern, I was able to take advantage of quality hands-on experience in activities like the documentation of pre-existing conditions as shown here. These photos were taken and modified on my phone, which Apple has made incredibly simple to identify the focal point of specific photos with options to highlight or circle conditions like what is seen here. In order to better organize these photos in my device, I would first use an image of the room number and follow these with evidence from that room. This is just one of the many ways that Broadmoor implements lean construction in each of their projects. Broadmoor takes the construction schedule above and beyond through the utilization of the last planner boards in correlation with the pull plan. This was where I found myself spending the most time, simply due to the fact that there was so much integration of this schedule with each subcontractor. The pull plan is first created with each subcontractor present, and they discuss together the sequence of events that need to occur, starting from closeout and finishing with demolition. Once the pull plan is successfully completed, the data can then be transferred to the last planner boards. As you can see more closely here, each subcontractor is assigned a specific color that connects their trade to the physical schedule. With the activities now implemented on the last planner boards, there are 6 full weeks of work to be completed on these boards in the job site trailer at all times that depict the daily progress and relationships between all trades currently on the project. Throughout this internship, I was mentored by Steve Michel, who was the senior project manager assigned to the Windsor Court renovation. The majority of time we spent together on site was during weekly subcontractor and owners meetings, which is what you see here. These meetings were incredibly valuable to my time with Broadmoor because I was able to interact with owners, representatives, and subcontractors. This is also a great showcase of the last planner boards on display in the job site trailer. Although Steve was my mentor, I was fortunate to be able to work closely with these two highly skilled superintendents. Terry Tyra, on the left, was the senior superintendent who took claim to ensuring manpower for each subcontractor was properly assessed each day in order to effectively maintain the schedule, as well as running the daily huddles in the trailer. Jimbo Perry, on the right, was the assistant superintendent who spent the majority of each day in the active construction zone leading subcontractors and workers on the basis of quality control and daily operations. This internship was unlike anything I'd encountered before due to the approaches